Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on auto volume adjustment in TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the App Store, and here in the App Store you simply need to type TikTok in the search bar to confirm that the TikTok app is updated to the latest version. It will take some time in loading, but simply wait. And here you can see an update is available. So go ahead and update your TikTok first of all. Then go to your TikTok app. So simply go ahead and open your TikTok app and just wait a little bit. Once the TikTok app is updated, simply go to the profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you need to tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, simply tap on settings and privacy. After that, you need to scroll all the way down until you find playback. Simply tap on the playback, and here you will be able to see auto volume adjustment. So simply turn it off. TikTok now will be able to auto volume. TikTok will now be able to adjust your volume. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.